What is up, guys? Welcome to the first official video since a meteorite hit my shop. Now I do want to take a moment to thank every single one of you guys from the bottom of my heart who showed support, who contributed to my GoFundMe with the goal of rebuilding and moving out of the shop. All my channel members, I just want to say thank you guys so much, literally from the bottom of my heart. Today I just got this 2008 Ford Crown Victoria police interceptor. We're gonna search it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. We're gonna try to figure out where it came from, where it's going, and we're gonna try and find that biscuit, that elusive biscuit. Look at that right there. Oh yeah, I'm excited. But before we get to this, I want to give you guys a little update. We've been cleaning up the mess. As you can see, we already went and scrapped a few cars. This was the ambulance right here. We have a little problem because it's too big, it won't fit on the trailer, so we might have to chop it. So the Vegas project was the only survivor. Thank goodness for that. Oh my goodness. I got a replacement smart siren. I will resume this project as soon as I get a new working environment. For those who still want to contribute to the rebuilding process, the link is in the description. Let's get on to our search. So I bought this parts car here for $300 plus $100 for tow. So I'm in about $400 and I'm gonna see if I can make a profit out of this. I already sold the wheel right there for $50. It's like it was in a little bit of accident, so that's the reason why it was taken out of commission. So that means the engine and transmission is still good. What the heck is this? Okay, we got a Siren speaker here, a Motorola Siren speaker. Probably get about $25 for this. Hideaway light. All right, yes, here's the other one. All right, I got them connected and they work. Red and blue, very nice. Looks like there's a super hazy LED light here. Some hubcaps I could probably restore here in a bit. Got hubcaps. Okay, I'm gonna start from the front and work my way to the back. All right, got my glove on. All right, let's take a quick look inside. It looks like there is gonna be a bunch of goodies in here. Ooh, right off the top, there is a Headrest center console. Yeah. Zebra. It's either a phone or some type of scanning device. This is really thick for a phone. I gotta check that out. And it looks like a solar charger of some sort, and it looks like it's actually working. Nice. It's like a self-charging flashlight. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, it's working. Oh, unfortunately the cop keys that were going to this guy right here was burnt up in the fire, but I'm gonna send you these cop keys right here instead. Looks like a court card. And this is a stolen car listing. Let's see, a 1993 Toyota Camry. Come on, brother. Step your game up, man. Dude, missing since July 4th. Reward $10,000. Holy smokes. Dude, I will personally go and search for this dog for $10,000. Wow. Smoking is bad for little kids. Oh, what's in here? Looks like ammo. A little bag full of ammo. 7.5, 70 millimeter. Here's some spent ones. Some type of smoking device somehow made its way out here to the front. Okay, it looks like this vehicle used to have a Whelen controller. Follow the cord. It takes me to a Motorola speaker. Bunch of stuff under here. Some lights. More lights. Oh, and there is more lights right here. I gotta test these out in a bit. Compartment light switches. I gotta cut that. A Streamlight charger type of tool. This is a nice Headrest center console with the cup holder here and the little laptop mount. The only thing that it's missing is the feet, but I think I have those already somewhere. Mighty tire knocker. Looks more like a attitude adjustment bar. Ooh. The bomb burrito. You hungry? I am actually hungry, but this looks disgusting. All right, the seat's gotta come out. The seat's pretty much broken, so there's not much I can get out of this. Maybe the headrest. No hidden biscuits under here. Okay. A spotlight. Another light. Looks like somebody cut the lock. All right, let's check the back. Yeah. Ooh, would you look at this? This looks like a gram of pain. There's definitely more in here somewhere, probably tucked in here. We shall find it. What the heck is this? Camera knick-knack thingy? Oh yes, I need these right here for my other car. Looks like some sort of mini skateboard. Looks like they had a Whelen light bar. I gotta start collecting these again. 80K amplifier. Here goes the other spotlights. The heck is this? Precision sensors. Some type of device. Thin blue line thingy. What the heck is this? Holy crap. This thing is huge. Oh, I don't know what that is, but it's freaking disgusting. Please begin. Sound off signal. Interceptor. 3, 4 of these. I want to test these out, see what kind of lights those are. Okay, I still got to do some research on these lights. Looks like this is a red one. And the other one is blue. Okay, so the third one was like a teal blue. It like burnt out. I don't know what I did wrong, but it just flashed and burnt out. That's funny. The fourth one also burnt out, if you could see. All right, let's get this third brake light out, shall we? Okay, got the cover off. Looks like an Adamson Industries MTech deck. Check it out, check it out. I gotta make some cuts and test it out. Okay, I made some cuts. Let's test it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let's take this little piggy tail. And there's that weird antenna right there. Goes another antenna. You guys remember this knife? I've been using it lately. So the winner of this emblem is this guy right here. Congratulations. This time I'm sending everything ASAP. If you see something you like, or something you need or want, let me know in the comments. I do read them. Please be a biscuit, and I ain't talking about bread. Extra sun grow lights. These were probably confiscated. Oh wow, these are super heavy. I'm not even gonna take those off. Safety vest, another safety vest, flares. Still works even like this. Wait, I hope that's not a dynamite. Fingerprint kit or narcotics test. Ooh, that thing stinks. Looks like a confiscated Slim Jim. Oh, something in here. Oh, seriously. Seriously. Thing is full of garbage weed. Definitely confiscated. Looks like a weed scale. Confiscated. This looks like a bunch of confiscated weed growing supplies or weed selling supplies. I mean, this dude obviously does not know how to grow some good weed, because that looked like complete garbage. All right, guys, let me give you the latest on the fire. So, rumor has it that there was 3 people. It was a guy with shaggy hair, some tall black guy, and some like taller woman came over, and they were yelling, "District 76 sucks!" And one of them got out and started bashing out the windows, and then the guy with the shaggy hair actually went inside the car and started the fire, and then they just ran off yelling, "District 76 sucks." So I heard that from a non-reliable source, so that's why I'm not exactly gonna run with it. Unfortunately, only one person saw the whole thing. Everybody else just has little pieces here and there. Sooner or later, somebody's gonna talk, somebody's gonna come forward, and we're gonna get to the bottom of this. District 76 will rise.